Just caught this bass on a spinnerbait, but he has a worm hanging out of his mouth that he's been caught on and swallowed. Who knows how long he's had it in there, but he was still eating, interestingly enough. So what I'm going to try and do here is I'm going to try and get the hook out of his stomach without killing him. I'm going to show you how I do that. So basically, the hook is in there, past the worm, right there. What you're going to do is, you're going to stick your pliers in through here, like under his gill plate, try not to mess up his gills, and then you're going to grab the hook and rotate it out of his stomach. It's going to be hard to try and film this, but I'll try and like I don't have my tripod with me, so just hopefully that's good enough. I'm gonna get him some more water. All right, so I'm gonna put the pliers in. I'm gonna try and rip some of this worm off. Okay. Now I've got the hook. And now I rotated it out. Look at that. Look at that. Got the hook out, and his stomach did not turn inside out. He is not bleeding at all. Look at that. All you gotta do, I just saved this fish's life potentially. I mean, he was still eating, but he had that hook in his mouth. And now, scotch-free, off to swim another day. Gone. Just like that. That's why, whenever you can, like, obviously accidents happen. I'm not gonna say that like the person that he got caught by was trying to do him harm, but if you catch one with something like that, or if it happens to you, that's the best way to get it out. Is you're just gonna grab the pliers, reach under the gill plate. You might have to cut your line and just rotate the hook, and it should pull out of his stomach instead of turning his stomach inside out and killing him. It's also possible that that person could have broken off on him so that it wasn't their fault at all, like they just didn't know that happened. But when you can, try and right someone's wrongs. Make sure you pick up the trash. And thank you for watching this. I wasn't expecting to make this, but thought I'd film a little quick tip for you.